Hi there, if you're ready to fast-track your contracting with Astiva Medicare, you've come to the right place. It's a simple process and I'm here to guide you through it. Step 1 is to go to our website Insureuniversity.com. In the menu, navigate to Contracting and then click on Medicare. Next, you want to click on Astiva Medicare. Now, once you're on the page, you can read more information about Astiva Medicare. Next, click on the Contract Now button. This is going to take you to our online contracting forms. Now, once you fill out the form, your information will be sent to our contracting team. You will receive a text notification or email from BenaVest, including directions on how to complete that carrier's contracting. We believe this will help you to stay on track. Our team here at BenaVest handles 90% of the carrier-agent contracting relationship for you. That makes it easy for you to finish getting appointed. For more information or if you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to us or visit our website. We look forward to working with you.